Say hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel, our little Escapades. Today we are looking at a new toy, a Noms Snackables silly shakes maker. Yeah? And we have been invited to take part in a Noms movie night. So they've sent us this shake maker as part of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to have a movie night. Just want to point out that this stuff that you make in here is not edible. Although you're making smoothies, they're not smoothies to eat, it's just smoothies to play with. So, shall we go ahead and unbox the Num Noms?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see what's inside. This is the jelly base. There's the Snackables Silly Shakes Maker Playset. Got a few bits to put on. Got like a knife. We'll have a look at the contents in a minute. Little pots of stuff here. Looks like food colour in there. And there's something else here. Oh, that opens.
That's not open.
I don't think these... No. Shall we see what you've got? So this is the Silly Shakes Maker Playset, and in the box was a collector sheet, and this is for the Shimmer series scented. Series 4 it says. It mixes, doesn't it? Just got the hang of it already. So inside you have one Silly Shaker Playset, one squeeze tool, which is this. Oh, so there's a bit of, we've got to get a bit of stuff off of here. One squeeze tool, that will squeeze like that. One mixing bowl, this is your mixing bowl. Empty shake cups with lids and straw plugs, so these are your empty shake cups. Turn bottles with plugs, so these turn. Oh, look round like this, Ellie, look. You turn it round. Two scented flavours. So your two scented flavours are these ones. Strawberry and blueberry. And they go in there. We'll take them out again in a minute. And then one bottle of glitter and one bottle of confetti. One spatula. Where's your spatula gone? One spatula. One container of clear slime, which is this. And this is a special edition Num. What's the special? Does it smell? I've had a look at the instructions, and our little lady's going to have a go at making her own silly shake. Are you ready? Should we turn it round so you can see it a bit better? Do you want to put some of this in that bowl? Just a little bit. Now which colours are you going to put in? You've got blue or red and then glitters.
Glitter.
Or do you want to put a colour in as well? Just tip the glitter in. Oh, that's it, gently. There we go. So put that in. I'm going to turn it round so people can see. That's it, mix it, that's it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. I think it's mixed lovely. Yeah, should we make the slash then? So then you can turn it back around this way, and then what you need to do is take one of these. That's it, look, you've got all your red here. Ooh, Ellie, it's like jelly. Now you've got to pour that in there. There's the red one, and we put it in like that. We turn it round like that. Alright, where's your little slushy maker cup? We'll put that, it goes under there. And then there's your tool. You've got to push it down. If we take the plug out, you ready to push it down? Right, push it down then. Is it all out? Let's have a look. I think you've done it. I think you've made us a slushy. Smells like blueberries, doesn't it? What's it smell like? Blueberries.
No, that's that.
There you go, that's my one. That's Daddy's one. We're going to make one for Nanny. You wanted red, glitter and hearts. You're going to put it all in? That's a lot of hearts. Now you're going to put some strawberry stuff in. Are you ready to do the mixing for Nanny's one? How many shakes have we made? We've made one, that one's for Nanny. Two, so we've got a strawberry one with heart, glitter and a glitter. A strawberry one and a glitter. And a blueberry one with hearts.
This is my daddy's one. This is daddy's one.
This is all ready for our Num Nom movie night with the silly shaker machine. Yeah? But please remember that this is slime and they're not real drinks. So we're pretending, aren't we? And we'll have them ready for our movie night. Thank you very much for watching our video about the Num Noms Silly Shakes Maker Playset.
Thanks very much
for watching our video.
for watching our video.
Say bye.